Hello students, welcome back to today's video session class. In the last video session class, I have started your new chapter number 20, statistics. While continuing this chapter today, I will do the median. In the last class, I have explained you the mean. Means average. We have seen how to find the mean of ungrouped data. You know very well, ungrouped data, the random data that we collect are called ungrouped data. Today we will see how to find the median of ungrouped data. Okay. First of all, you should know what is median. Median means it is the value of the variates of the given observation or the middle value of the observation. So, the median defined as it is a central value of statistical data if it is arranged in ascending or in descending order. So always while finding the median of ungrouped data, we have to follow some important rules that are: number one, first you have to arrange the ungrouped data. First is to arrange the data in, just a minute, in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, you have to arrange the given data either in ascending order or in descending order. After that, you have to see, number two step, the number of observation. You have to see the number of observation. Okay, number of observations by counting you have to find. Number of observations, sometime it is in even, maybe even, suppose it may be 4, it may be 6, it may be 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, whatever. It may be in odd number also, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. So for that is marked as n. You call it as a n. You can write also in capital letter also. Sometimes it is written in some books, but in your book it is given in small letter n. That is number of. Third step, to find the median. How will you find the median? For that you have to observe the number of observation. If I write, if n is odd, means number of observation is odd, how will you have to find the median? Median, in that case, median is equal to n plus 1 by tooth observation. Okay, and second, if n is even, means number of observation even numbers, then in that case median is equal to n by tooth observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. So you have to follow these two formulas after arranging the given raw data or ungrouped data in ascending order or in descending order. Now, from this exercise to 20.1, I will choose one or two questions to explain you how to find the median. The first question that I want to take, that is question number 15. We'll do question number 15. You see, the question is said that a group of students was given a special test in mathematics. The test was completed by the various students in the following times. Means you have been a maths test has been organized, in which you have allotted some time to complete the exam, but the different students have completed their work in different times, and that time is given in the random order. So first of all, that you have to do, you have to arrange the given timings, that is the data, which is the data we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. So the lowest term is here is 17, after that 19, and then after 20. So after arranging the data, first one is 17, then 19, then 20. After 20, 18 is also there. I missed it. So be careful while writing this. 19, 20. After 20, 21 is not there. 22 is there. 22. After that 22, I think here is 24 is 2 times. 24 is given 2 times. 24, 24. We have to write as it is, 24 2 times. After 22, 4. It is 28 is given. After 20, 30 is given. After 30, 30 is 2 times. 30 is given 2 times. Just write 2 times. Then 32 is there. Then 32 is there. After that 36 is there. After that 36. So we will count it. I have written all the terms or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So already 12 observations we have got, and we have arranged this in ascending order from 17 to 36. So what is here? Here we can see n is equal to 12, which is even. Number of observation is even. So for even, we have to use this formula to find the median. So you will write median is equal to, what is n here? 12. So you have to put the value of n here, 12 by 2th observation plus 12 by 2th plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, means 6th observation. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 plus 1, 7th observation. So you have to write here 6th observation plus 7th observation whole divided by 2. So many times what the students do, they generally add these two numbers and divide it by 2, but it is a incorrect way. 6th observation I am writing, 7th observation I am writing. So you have to count the 6th observation and 7th observation from this data. So first of all, 6th observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th observation is 24. So in place of 6th observation you write 24 plus 7th observation is also 24. So you have to write 24 again whole divided by 2, that is equal to 48 by 2 So 2 1 ja 2, 224. So the answer is 24. So the answer is 24. Okay. So in this way you can find the median of this ungrouped data whose number of observation is 12, which is even. So luckily we have got the 6th and 7th observation was 24, but some it may be not like that. Both the observation may be different also. Most of the time they are different, and luckily we have got it. Okay, students. So in this way you have to find the median. Another question that I am going to explain you, that is question number 18. Here the following observation has been arranged in ascending order. Ascending order is already given. Don't have to arrange it. If the median of the data is 47.5, median is already given, and you have to find the value of x. X means here one of the observation is absent. One of the observation is absent. We have to find that observation. So how will you find it? Just see. I am going to rub this. I think you have understood the logic of median for ungrouped data. Now to question number 18. You see, question number 18. First of all, here median is given. Median is given 47.5, and the data is also given. You will write the data also: 17, 21, 23, 29, 39, 23, 29, 39. After 39 is 40x 50, 40x 50, 51 is also there, 54, 59, 54, 59, then 67, then after 67, after that 91, after that 93. So now first work is to, since the data is already given in ascending order, so no need to arrange them. The first step of the process is already given. Now second step, that you have to count the number of observations. So here you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So n is equals to here 14. Again it is in even number. That means you have to again follow the even number formula to find the median. Okay. So here number of observation is even, so median is equal to, for even, median formula is n by tooth observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. So median is already given, so you write here in place of median 47.5. Now see, the number of observations 12, so you write here 14 by 2th observation plus 14 by 2 plus 1th observation. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 whole divided by 2. So here The first is 7th observation plus 7 plus 1 is, it is 8th observation whole divided by 2, that is equal to 47.5. So again write 47.5 is equal to, what is the 7th observation? Count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th observation is here x, and 8th observation is 50 whole divided by 2. Now you cannot do the cancellation here because plus sign is there, so you have to do the cross multiplication. So 2 into 5 is 0, carry over 1. 2 into 4, 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry over 1. 2 4 is 8, plus 1, 9 is 95.0 is equal to x plus 50. So here x equals to 90 minus 50. So therefore x equals to 40. So the value of here x is also 40. Okay, it cannot be more than 50 because the observation is already in ascending order. So the values always be less than 50, and we have got the answer x equals to 50. So in this way you have to find the median of ungrouped data. Okay students, hope you have understood in these two videos how to find mean and median of ungrouped data. So I think this is the last video session class. From the next class we will be there in school for your offline classes. But before coming to school, please go through this exercise number 20.1. After that, you will not get any revision class for this because I will start the group or classified data. Okay, so hope you have understood this. Please try the sums of this exercise. I will also give some homework also from this exercise. Okay students, I hope you have understood and enjoyed this video class. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.